What's up everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and behind me we have this beautiful Dezino matte black Mercedes G63. Stunning color combo. Let's give you a little tour of this G63. I think the coolest thing about this particular G63 is not only the fact that it's finished in a Dezino matte black, but on the inside, a really unique Dezino red diamond stitch interior. So for those of you that aren't familiar in the G63, they have one really unique feature that makes them stand out, and that is the fact these doors are built like a tank. You have to absolutely slam them.
Hey, what can I get started for you?
Hello, can I get a grande iced latte, please?
Latte?
Yes, please. No, that's it, thanks. Thank you. All right, so now we've got the coffee on the way. I can tell you guys the purpose of this video, which is to talk about the fact that we hit 10,000 subscribers, which is, it's a lot, but it's not a lot. It's, you know, in the scheme of things, there's obviously channels with millions and millions of subscribers, but also at the same time, you know, I look at it as it's 4 years of work, it's like 500 plus videos, it's countless hours of editing, countless hours of planning, and all sorts of different, you know, things behind the scenes that have went into actually getting that milestone of 10,000 subscribers, which wasn't easy, didn't come overnight. And, you know, I wanted to start by just saying, you know, a little bit of the story of the YouTube channel, as well as kind of where do we go from here. So let me grab my coffee and then we will tell you guys a little bit more. Hello. Thank you. Got my coffee and I feel back alive. So we started, interesting enough, we started this YouTube channel. If you click on the About section of the channel, we started in 2006, which is interesting because YouTube, I think, was founded in 2005. And at the time, I, like most, let's call it kids on YouTube, just put on like the odd stupid video, and never with the intention of building a YouTube channel that, you know, sort of turned into a bit of a business as well. Now I think I had about 7 subscribers for years, which seemed like a lot actually as a kid. And then a few years later, I think it was about 2013, I started to put out some more videos just for fun. It would be like me driving whatever car I was driving at the time. And YouTube then was very different than YouTube now, because like back 10 years ago, you could put a video like, let's just say, acceleration in G63 leaving this light, and they'll get like 10,000 views, which is crazy because today it never would. You've got to like go balls out and blow this thing up to get 10,000 views. But then rewinding to, I think it was 2019, we started to actually put some like videos out of stuff that happened around the dealership. So it was like customer deliveries, or maybe we were buying something cool, or selling something, like just anything, like showroom walkarounds. We experimented with all different sorts of stuff, as we still are today. We're still experimenting with different ideas, but keeping it, you know, trying to keep it automotive related and that sort of thing. So it's been an interesting journey over 4 years to like learn about, you know, titles and thumbnails and like stuff that you know will hit and stuff that you like just know won't hit for your channel. And like, you know, we've had the fortunate of like having some big police videos that have really like jumped us in subscribers and views. And now I know it's like, if I can get pulled over, get a police video, it's gonna do really good. Even if it's a bad video, it's gonna do really good. So it's been an interesting learning experience over 4 years. And it started with not even an idea. It started as almost like a challenge to like grow this YouTube channel and see what we could do with it. It didn't, I never was somebody that was like, oh, I want to be a YouTuber. I think that kind of just like developed from meeting a few different people like Daily Driven Exotics, seeing how they operate, and then that also taught me what a business this can become. Like now, if somebody were to say, I want to be a YouTuber, it's like a legitimate career. So if it's something that, you're young and you want to be a YouTuber, I 100% encourage you to do it. But my biggest advice is like, just start now, don't wait. Don't worry about what equipment you have or what content you're filming. If you only have like an old iPhone or whatever it is, just start filming, put it out, make 1,000 videos, and I promise you, you will grow. You will have 10,000 subscribers. You will have even more than that if you just keep doing it. So that's a little bit of the history of our YouTube channel, as well as maybe my advice to somebody watching who wants to do something similar. So now comes the, I guess the question in my mind, which was, where do we go once we hit this milestone of 10,000 subscribers? And I wanted to do it on my own so I can take pride in saying I got the first 10,000 subscribers completely on my own, or with, I'll say, very little help. I've had obviously friends of mine help film the odd thing. Mo, Brant, you guys know, you've been there since the start helping me out, which is very much appreciated. But now that I've got the milestone of 10,000 subscribers, there is a few changes coming to our channel, which is, I think, exciting because it gives us the evolution of what's next. And we're gonna continually evolve and continually grow. And the change, starting with this video right now that you guys are watching, is I do have an editor and a videographer who's been filming a bunch of stuff for me. So we've got a nice backlog of content, and you're gonna immediately see that I am not a professional, and I have somebody who is much more skilled than I am at making high quality video content. So that is the first change, I would say, is that we've got somebody on board with that. Second change is I've actually had somebody, again, backlogging me some content with YouTube Shorts. So I've got quite a bit of YouTube Shorts coming out now, which traditionally I never did before, although I have been pushing out just some like old videos and whatnot. So we've got YouTube Shorts coming out much more consistently. We've got some higher quality, better content coming just for the main long form videos. And with that sort of leads into, as hopefully the channel has more views, gets more subscribers, and at the end of the day, it all comes back to like making money. So as the channel makes more money, we're gonna continually invest it back into the channel, as well as I really wanna do more giveaways. I've done lots of giveaways over the last 4 years. I've given away iPads, I've given away gift cards, I've given away really good seats to Calgary Flames tickets. So I wanna start doing more giveaways, and it would be really cool for me to actually give away like a car to you guys. So that's gonna be something that I think, I'm not gonna commit to anything, but let's say in the next like year or so, have some kind of crazy giveaway like a car or something along those lines. So, that'd be cool. Win a car just for watching YouTube videos, come on. Yeah, that's sort of what to expect with going into 2024, building this channel. I wanna start sharing a lot more of like my life with you guys, stuff that you maybe would find interesting outside of the car world. So, like we've got a video we filmed talking about like some investing tips and like how you can buy a dream car like this. So I want to start giving you guys a little bit more insight into my life, as well as kind of keeping it car related. So anything we do, we're gonna film it in a cool car, driving around like you see right now. All right, so that is a little bit of the past, present, and future of the IMCARS channel. It's been an adventure, that's for sure, over 4 years, and I am very thankful if you've ever watched a video, if you've ever done anything, liked, disliked, commented, shared, subscribed. I'm obviously very thankful of. Regardless, that's another little secret of YouTube. We don't really care if you don't like the videos or not. If you're watching, it all helps us grow. So very thankful no matter what, and looking forward to continually growing this channel. I am serious when I say we're going to 100,000 subscribers in 2024. So stick along for the ride, share this video with your friends, keep watching the content, and yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Helps our channel out grow. Check out some of our other videos that you see up here right now. And with that, I'm gonna shut off the car and go home for the day.